On September 6, 2018, the Supreme Court of India made a landmark decision by decriminalizing homosexuality. The court repealed Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code, which had criminalized homosexual relations and imposed severe penalties. A 5-judge constitutional bench led by Chief Justice Deepak Mishra unanimously ruled out the Section 377 violated fundamental rights under the Indian Constitution. This ruling affirmed that the LGBTQ community has equal rights and the freedom to live according to their own choices. The decision was celebrated globally as a significant victory for human rights and marked a positive shift in societal attitudes towards the LGBTQ community. On September 6, 1965, the Indian Army launched Operation Riddle as a part of Indo-Pakistani War of 1965. This followed Pakistan's Operation Grand Slam on September 1, aimed at capturing the strategically important Akhnur sector in Jammu and Kashmir. In response, India crossed the border and attacked Lahore and Sialkot, marking the official start of the conflict from India's side. The Indian Army nearly captured Lahore, threatening Pakistan's objectives. However, a ceasefire was brokered by the United Nations on September 23, 1965. Subsequently, Indian Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri and Pakistani Prime Minister Ayub Khan signed the Tashkent Agreement, which mandated the return of acquired territories. Shastri's death under suspicious circumstances shortly after the agreement led to the speculation that he may have been poisoned. Major Dhan Singh Thapa, a distinguished officer of the Indian Army, passed away on September 6, 2005. Born on April 10, 1928 in Shimla, Himachal Pradesh, he served with the 8th Gorkha Rifles Battalion. During the 1962 Indo-China War, his battalion was stationed at the Chushul sector, Ladakh. On October 20, 1962, when the Chinese army attacked the Sirijap I post, Major Thapa and his troops faced overwhelming odds. Despite being surrounded and running out of ammunition, Major Thapa led his men valiantly until he was captured. Initially reported as dead, he was later confirmed alive and released after the war. In recognition of his extraordinary bravery, he was awarded the Paramveer Chakra, India's highest military honor. On September 6, 1522, the ship Victoria completed the first successful circumnavigation of the globe. The expedition, initially led by Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan, began on September 20, 1519 from the Seville, Spain. Magellan died during the journey and Spanish sailor Juan Sebastian Elcano took over and successfully completed the voyage. The primary goal was to reach the Molucca Islands, Spice Islands by the western route. Out of the original 5 ships, only Victoria survived and returned to Spain. This journey not only led to the discovery of the Pacific Ocean, but also marked a significant milestone in the geography and navigation.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKTF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKTF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKTF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKTF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKTF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKTF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKTF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKTF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKTF यूनिवर्सिटी।
On September 6, 1968, Swaziland gained independence from the British rule after being under British control since 1903. Situated in southern Africa, Swaziland experienced a rise in nationalist sentiment during the mid-20th century, which led to demands for independence from the Swazi royal family and other leaders. Following lengthy negotiations, the British government granted independence and Swaziland was originally declared a sovereign nation on this date. King Sobhuza II became the first sovereign ruler and the country adopted its first constitution, flag and emblem. Initially a constitutional monarchy, Swaziland became an absolute monarchy in 1973 when King Sobhuza II suspended the constitution. The country is now known as Eswatini. On September 6, 1901, President William McKinley was shot while visiting an exhibition in New York. The attacker, Leon Zolgos, approached the president and shot him twice. McKinley was rushed to the hospital but did not recover and died on September 14, 1901 at the age of 58. Zolgos was arrested, tried and found guilty of the assassination. He was sentenced to death on October 28, 1901.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiasts and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.